Okay. We recite Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Lesson 5. Today I am going to explain about adverbs. It is very useful and we can see everywhere. Now you can understand what is the meaning of adverb. If you want to tell something, where this place, what is this, all are including adverb. Okay. Example, adverbs of time. She cooks rice today. The today is adverbs. Aj. See meaning sa. Rice odanang. Cooks pachati. She cooks rice today. Ajja sa odanang pachati. Ajja is an adverb of time. It is adverb. Remember? Okay, please mark. Adverbs of time. Second example, I saw you in the morning. I saw you in the morning. In the morning means pato. Pato. It's an adverb. I, ahang. You, tang. Apasing, so, the past tense. Pato, ahang, tang, apasing. I saw you in the morning. This is an adverb of time. Ajja and pato. One example, I saw you yesterday. I saw you yesterday. Yesterday means hiyo. Hiyo. H-I-lon Y-O. Hiyo. H-I-lon Y-O. H-I-lon. H-I-lon. Hiyo. Hiyo. Hiyo means yesterday. I saw you yesterday. Hiyo ahang tang apasing. Understand? Adverbs of place. He slept there. He meaning so. Slept in the past tense, no? Sai. There, tattha. Tattha, so sai. Tattha means adverb of place. Tattha means there. There. Or there, something. There. Tattha. Yeah, tatra. Yeah, tatta, tatra, same. One more example. He slept here. He slept here. Here means either. 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 I-D-H-A. Either. Either means D-H-A. Either means here. He slept here means either so, sai. Either so, sai. Understand? Next one, about the question. From where will you buy the cows? From where? From where means some place, no? The kuto, kuto, kuto means from where? Kuto, kuto, kuto. You, tuang. The cows, then yo. Kinisasi, will buy. This is question, no? Will you buy the cows? The Pali, kinisasi. Kinati means buy. Kinati. Kinisasi, will buy. Okay? From where will you buy the cows? Koto tuang denuyo kinisasi. This is a example of some adverbs. Huh? Okay, again, adverbs of time. She cooks rice today. Today is adverbs of time. Ajja. Ajja sa odanang pachati. Ajja is today. She is sa odanang rice cooks pachati. I saw you in the morning. In the morning, pato. Ahang, I. Tang, you. Apasing, so. Pato ahang, tang, apasing. I saw you yesterday. Hiyo ahang, tang, apasing. Adverbs of place. He slept there. There is a tat. Tat, so, sai. He slept here. Id, so, sai. Where he okay. From where will you buy the cows? From where? Kuto, tuang, denyo, kinisasi. Okay? Adverbs of time. This is adverb of time. Please recite. Kada means Chirang, Chirang here, you see, Chirang. One more, Chirang for a long time. Chirang, please write down, no? Pura. Okay, one more time, recite Pali. Okay. Good. Adverbs of place. Etha. Between, na? Tato, tato, T-A, tato. Tato, T-A, tato, from where? One more time. Okay. Practice. Okay, recite. This is a question, na? Kada. Kada tumhe adipating passisatah. Means? Passisatah because of tumhe, no? Tumhe. Kada tumhe adipating passisatah. Kada tumhe acharyang passisatah. Teacher, good. Kada tumhe mata pitare passisatah. Parents. Not going to see. Because if you are living with your parents, now there's time to see, no? Because Chinese New Year. This is a time. Kada tumhe adipating passisat. Okay, next one. Suve mayang acharyang vandisame. Suve means tomorrow. No. Tomorrow we will pay respect to teachers. tomorrow we will pay respect to the teachers. Suve mayang mata pitare vandissama. Oh, this is, mata pitare means parents. Mata pitare. Mata pitare. The one word. Mata pitare, one word. Parents. Mata pitare. Suve mayang mata pitare vandissama. Tomorrow we will pay respect to the teacher. And same way to the parents. Okay. One more. Hiyo tassa kanyaya mata tang gamang gacchi. Gacchi means gacchi, the past tense. Went. Gacchi means went. Gamang, to the village. Tang gamang, to that village. Mata, mother. Kanyaya. Kanyaya means lady. Lady's mother. Yeah, the woman's mother. Tassa kanyaya. That lady's mother, like this. Hiyo means yesterday. Okay. Yesterday the mother of that girl went to that village. Tassa, like her. Namo tassa is the masculine. Tassa masculine. Tassa feminine. Yeah, tassa masculine. Tassa feminine. Tassa is a feminine here. Tassa alone. The namo tassa is short. But you have pronounced both same, no? Okay, understand? One more time, please check. Kada tumhe adhipating passisat. Okay, recite. Okay, good. Ahang imang gehang khatva idha chirang vasissami. Ahang, I. Imang gehang, this house. Imang punyan, like this, no? This marriage. Imang gehang, this house. Khatva, having done. The past participle, no? Having done. Either here, chirang, long time, a long time, vasissami, will live. Having built this house, I will stay here for long. Having built also can, having done also can, no? It's no problem. It's built is okay, nice. Yeah, house. Because a house we can build. Having built this house, I will stay here for long. Okay, one more sentence. You write down. Ahang imang punyang khatva. Ahang imang punyang khatva ida sukhena ජීවිස්සාමි ජීවිස්සාමි ජීවති ජීවති live ජීවති ජීවිසා will live ජීවිස්සති is a present the future tense the third person ජීවිස්සාමි in the future first person no ජීවිස්සාමි ජීවිස්සාමි සුඛේන with happily with happily ahang imang punyang katva having done this merit ida sukhena jeevissami I will live here with happily okay okay one more write down idha upasako idha upasako danang dattva dattva means DATVA loan dattva like katvanu dattva DATVA loan dattva cha silang SI loan LAM dot silang rakkitva RAKKHITVA loan rakkitva cha sagge 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 nibbatissati ni NI double B A T T I S S A T I nibbatissati correct now idha means here upasako yes male devotee upasako danang dattva having given the dana silang rakkitva means protect having protected the morality sila morality sagge in the heaven nibbatissati will arise will appear now you can build the sentence according to English here the male devotees having given the dana and having protected the morality will arise in the heaven nibbattati Nibbattati. This is a present tense. Nibbattati. Nibbattati. Rakkati. Rakkati is a present tense. Rakkati. Governor. We should protect, governor. Rakkati. Rakkitva is having, protected. Male devotees. Oh, we can say the upasaka also, no problem. So, okay, upasaka. Okay, the upasaka. Upasaka also can, no problem. But it's better male devotee also. Okay. Next one. Please check. So puriso sihang diswa tamhi kette tiriyang dhavi. So puriso, this man, sihang diswa, having seen the lion, kette, in the paddy field, tamhi, in this paddy field, tiriyang, tiriya means cross, dhavi, run, ran, the dhavi is past tense, ran. Having seen the lion, that man ran across that field. Sorry? No, sihang. Sihang is a lion. Dhav is a verb. Ran. In that field also can. Tamhi ketti. Okay. Next. Te kumara ataving gantva tattha kilanti. Kumara. Kumaro means boy. One boy, kumaro. Kumara, boys. Te kumara, those boys. Gantva, having gone. Gamati, no, remember gacchati. Gamati, gantva, having gone. Uttering, to forest. Tat, there. Kilanti, the present tense, no? Play. Having gone to the forest, those boys play there. Okay, understand? Very simple, no? Not complicated, no? Vocabs is very important. Okay. More adverbs and participles. Am, Ama is yes. Ama bhante. Yeah. Not ama. 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 But somebody else, ahang bante. This is around me. Ahang bante. Ahang means I am, I bante like this. Ahang bante. So, ama. Ama is a yes. Okay. Evang. Evang. Thus. Oh yes. Thus is more important. Thus. I have thus. Adha. Adha means certainly. Adha. Va athava. O. O. Puna. Tatha. In that way. Sucking. Sanikang. Sigang. Purato. Purato. Yava tava. Nana. Vina. Kathang. Kasma. The one is tasma also have tasma, but we noted tasma because of that. We can say because of that. Tasma. T-A-S-M-A alone. T-A. T-T. T. T Thailand. T-A-S-M-A alone. Tasma. Because of that. Because also we can because. Or because also we can use because also. So also can sometimes. So. English so, no? Some more. Visung. Separately also. Dukkang. Samang. Sahasa. Dalhang. Ekadha. Dikhatung. Panchadha, this mistake, Panchadha, P-A-N, they have like Pancha. Mistake, Panchada in 5 way, Panchada. Sadhukang. Will. Sadhukang sutva. Having listened well. Sadhukang sutva. Sutva means having listened well. Sadhukang sutva. Abinhang. Ekamantang. Side. This behind, like this behind, no? Ekamanta, one side. Okay, now we are going to explain infinitive. It is very easy. Only the verb change to the different type. Very easy to understand. Okay, this infinitive is tung, tung. Example, pachitung. The pachati means cook, no? Pachati. Pachitung, to cook. You want to do something for other. To cook for somebody. We can pachitung, to cook, pachitung. The pachati is a cook. To cook pachitung. Also, desetum is to speech, desetum. Not to bring, sorry, the mistake. Deseti meaning preach. To preach, Desetu, it's mistake, The example you see, Kumari bhattang pachitung agging jalesati. The girl will kindle the fire to cook the rice. Pachitung, to cook. It is very easy. If you remember the verb, very easy to change. Pachati, pachitung. Okay. Next one. Muni dhammang desetung pite nisidi. The monk sat on the chair to preach the Dhamma. Muni, the monk. Dhammang, the Dhamma. Desetung, to preach. Pite, on the chair. Nisidi, sat. Because past tense, no? Nisidi. Understand? Okay, now the simple. Okay, you can understand. Pachati, pachitung, to cook. Pacha, tung, no? Very easy. Passati, passitung, to see. Bunjati, bunjitung, to eat. Labhati, labhitung, to get. Labhati, labhati, laddung, to get. Harati, haritung, to carry. Aharati, aharitung, to bring. Gacchati, gantung, gacchitung, to go. Gantung, gacchitung, to go. Okay, like this. Now, dadati, datung. Daditung also can, to give. Tittati, tha, long, thatung. Long, thatung. Here, thatung. Jinati, jetung. Neti, netung. Sunati, sotung. Sunati, sunitung. Gacchati, gantung, gacchitung also can. Sayati, sayatung. Not okay, setu also okay. Sayati, saitung. Chindati, chinditung. Chindati, chettung. Janati, this is mistake. Janati, this is long. Janati, janitung. Ghayati, ghayitung. Okay, one more time please recite. Practice. Ahang mayang mittena sadding muning passitung viharang gacchissami. Oh, very simple. Ahang, I. Mayang, no, maihang. Maihang, my. Mittena sadding, with the friend. Muning, the monk. Passitung, to see. Viharang, to the monastery. Gacchissama, will go. I will go to the monastery with my friend to see the monk. You can say, no? Every day you are coming to monastery, no? Ahang, maihang, mittena sadding, patova, the pato, muning passitung, paaok viharang, gacchissami. I will go to the monastery. In the morning, I will go to the monastery. Paaok monastery. With my friend to see the monk. Okay? Next one. Gahapati aapanang gantva aharam pachitung gehang gacchati. Gahapati, household. Gantva, having gone. Aapanang, to shop. Apana means to shop. Shop. Shopping, to shop. Aharang, food. Pachitung, to cook. Gehang, to house. Gacchati, go. Having gone to the market, the householder goes home to cook the food. Apana. Every day we are going to Apana, no? Market. But nowadays so many market, supermarket, mini market, many market. Okay? Tumhe vanang gantva gavinang tatung pannani aharata. Tumhe, you. Vanang gantva. Vanang meaning forest. Gantva meaning having gone. Gavinang, she cow. To she cows. Datung, to give. Pannani, leaves. Aharata. Aharata means bring. Harata, carry. You see? Having gone to the forest, you or all of you bring leaf to give to the cows. Okay, understand? Next. Tvang sotena sunitum ghanena ghaitum cha sakkosi. Sakkosi means able. Tvang, you. Sotena sunitun. Yeah. To listen. Ghanena ghaitum. To smell with the nose. You are able to hear with the ear and smell with the nose. Sakkosi. Tvang, sakkosi tvang. Sakkosi tvang sotena sunitum ghanena ghaitum. Are you able to hear? Sakkosi tvang. The question we can change. Sakkosi tvang sotena sunitum ghanena ghaitum. Are you able to hear with the ear and smell with the nose? Are you means are you able? The sakkosi tvang. It's like the question. Sakkosi have to be in front of. Sakkosi tvang. Sakkosi tvang sotena sunitum ghanena ghaitum. Are you able to hear with the ear and the smell with the nose? Okay? Oh, sorry. Cha means and. But the sotena sunituncha ghanena ghaitum sakkosi also we can write. One time cha also can, two place also can, end of the everywhere we can put the cha. No problem. But meaning and. To the join that because two activity, no? Two action. Because of that want to join. Okay? Okay. Next. Dhanavanto suwannang tattva jnanang laddung na sakkonti. Dhanavanto, who are the rich men? Rich person, rich ones. Suwannang dattva, having give the gold. The jnanang laddung, to get the knowledge. Jnana meaning knowledge. Jnana, vipassana jnana, no? Knowledge. Laddung, to get. Na sakkonti, not able. Having offered gold, the rich ones are not able to get wisdom or knowledge. Okay, if someone want to get the wisdom, what we do? What we'll do? What we want to do? To give Dhamma, to teach Dhamma. Dhanavanto Dhamma Dhanam Dattva. Dhanavanto Dhamma Dhanam Dattva Jnanang Laddung Sakkonti. Having offered the Dhamma Dana, Dhamma book, Dhamma Dana, the rich ones are able to get wisdom. If someone want to get the wisdom, sharp knowledge, he should offer the Dhamma. Offer, yes. The gift the Dhamma means sunrise. Example, bhikkhu, no? We can teach the Dhamma. We can write the Dhamma book. somebody can donate. Dhamma book can free distribution, can donate. This is one cause to get the wisdom. No. My means one few reason. There are the many reason. Example, still want to practice Dhamma. This is one cause. Yeah. Example, we all the time want to stay with the how to say? No, we all the time want to control our faculties. Not the I, the faith and the energy, mindfulness, concentration, and wisdom. Those are 5 faculties you can control every moment. It is the one cause to get the wisdom. And if you can clean, when you are if somebody clean internal and external things, it is one cause to get the wisdom. And who is all the time discussing deep Dhamma with the reverence, it is also another cause to get the wisdom. Who is disassociate the unwise man, it's also one cause to get the wisdom. Mangala Sutta. And who is associate who has the wisdom, who is associate like this man, it's also cause to get the wisdom. Who has the wish to get the knowledge, to understand, to get the knowledge, it is also one cause. If you don't have the good wish, we can't get, no? We have to put the good wish, determination, very good determination to get the wisdom. It is more important. That is, they have the few causes. I think they remember 7 or 11 causes to get Nibbana, get wisdom. 7 or 11 causes. It is more important. Without determination, we can't do other things. Okay? Dharako chattang ganhitung sopanang aruhi. Dharako, the boy. Chattang means umbrella. Ganhitung, to get. Sopanang, stair. Sopana, the stair. Aruhi, climb, no? Aruhi. Or ascend. Okay, means okay. Next, Pali story. Today is the Gamo. Gamo is a village. Did you get the paper? Okay, please recite first. Vattuni, this loan, na? Vattu, you loan. Vattuni. Kasikamman karoma. Karoma. We have to add karoma. 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 K-A-R-O-M-A. Karoma. Okay. Balakacha. Okay. Okay, then ayang amhakang gamo ramaniyo bhavati. Ayang gamo, this village. Amhak, this our village. Ramaniyo bhavati, it is beautiful. Tasming patasalacha agaracha santi. Tasming, in the village. Patasalacha. Patasala meaning study hall, school. Schools. And agaracha. Agara means houses. Now you can see Ramaniya means adjective. Tasmin locative. Patasala study hall. Agara house. Okay. This is our beautiful village. There are study halls, or we can say school. Nowadays we use school, no? Schools and houses in that place, in that village, in that village. Okay. Ramaniya, beautiful, delightful, charming. Okay. Next. Sundarani gehanicha uyanicha bhavanti. Sundarani is beautiful, delightful. Gehani, houses, and uyani, parks, gardens. Gamasa samipe, nearby the village. Sundara nadi, beautiful river. Sandati, flows. There are beautiful houses and gardens. At the nearby area of the village flows a beautiful river. It is right, no? Like Singapore, no? Every village have very beautiful houses, very beautiful park, the garden, and sometimes the water is over, so nearby. Okay, next. Taya Nadiya Gamasa Abhivuddhicha Bhavati. Taya Nadiya. Nadiya from this river. Gamasa to the village. Abhivuddhi. Abhivuddhi means this village become growth, become like rich because of this river. You see, and there is a prosperity of the village from that river. Because of this river, people can earn the money, no? Sheep going, coming. Sometimes maybe somebody doing Panatipata also, killing the fish. It is also no good. But anyway, okay, the village prosper because of the river. Game bahuni kettavattuuni santi. There are many paddy fields in the village. Bahu manussacha tasmin game vasanti. Because of that, many peoples are living in this village. Sassakale. Sassakale meaning when the successful the paddy. The sasa means corn, crop. Sasa, yeah, paddy, yeah. Kala is the time, the crop is the time. Ramaniyam bhavati, it is beautiful. There are many farm fields in the village and many people live in that village. In the harvesting time, there is Sassakali means. Okay. Mayang sassa kali kettang gamitva pitara sadding tatta kasikammang karoma. What's the mean? Very simple, no? In the harvesting time, we went to the farm and do the farming there with the father. Gamitva, having gone. Having gone to the farm, I do the farming there with the father. We say we went to the farm, no? We can having gamitva, no? Having gone to the farm. And we do the farming there with the father. In the harvesting time, having gone to the farm, and we do the farming there with the father. Sorry? Karom is do the farming. Kasikammang karom, do the farming. Okay? Amhakang game kila bhumi cha atti. In the village, they have the playground. Sayang, evening, sahayaki sadi with the friend. Tatta gantva, having gone there, kilang karisama, will play. And there is a playground in our village. In the evening, having gone there, we will be playing with the friend. Kila bhumi, playground. Sayang, adverb, in the evening. Sahaya, masculine noun, friend. Karisama will be. No, sorry, this is not the karisama. Kilisama. Sorry, the mistake. Kilisama. Here also kilisama, here also kilisama. This is kilatiya. Can write down, no? Kilati. Not the karot, kilatiya. Sorry, my mistake. This is kilang have, no? It's okay. The gantva kilang karisam. Okay, kilang karisam also right. Or gantva kilisam also right. If you want to put the Kilisama, one word, Gantva Kilisama. Okay? The Kilang Karisama. So both same meaning. Huh? Both same meaning. Huh? Same meaning. Okay? Tasma game balakacha balikacha aroga bhavanti dasaniyacha honti. Because of that, because now all the village boys and girls, they are play in the ground all the time. Because of that, they have good health. They have good health and they are very beautiful. Because of health, no? Balaka mean boy. Balika girl. Aroga mean healthy. Healthy. Dasaniya mean beautiful, handsome. The boys handsome, no? Woman's beautiful. In the village, the boys and girls are healthy and they are beautiful. We can say tasma because of that in the village, the boys or girls in the village are boys and girls are healthy in that village and they are beautiful. Tasma is because of that, the joint adverb. Okay. Game manussa vanijja kammancha karetva jivikang kappenti. Vanijja meaning trade. This means merchant. Vanijja merchant. Merchant are doing the activity. Vanijja kamman to the trading business. They are doing business. Having done the trading business, the people in the village earn a living. Livelihood also can, no? we can say they spend their lifespan, spend their life spent in that village. Oh, now how about the end? Now, how about your Pali knowledge? Okay. Now, are you interested to study Pali? It is benefit. Can understand now, little by little, slowly by slowly can, but need more vocab, no? Need to buy hard vocab. It is important. Anyway, we try. But same way we follow the next time after we finish all our basic grammar, we'll every day we are going to explain the Pali story, some sutta or something that. Then it is good. It's, one side can understand the Pali also and can get the Dhamma knowledge also. Next day we will try to explain numbering. We try to teach numbering. Number also the ek, 1, 2, 3 we use Pali, no? In English. Ek, dvi, ti, chatu. The 66 page number 66. Page number 66. How we count? एक द्वि ती चातु पंच च सत अठ नव दस एकादश द्वादश तेरस चौदस पंद्रस सोलस, like this. $66. Why? Huh? Don't have? Why? What happened? Oh, this is beginning part. This is the first book, not the second book. Oh, no. Because the 1 and 2 book join, no? 1 and 2. Okay. Okay. Next time we are going to explain this thing, and some more pronouns or something that we are going to add. Then this way we already complete the almost grammar in the first book. We already complete, but I still have some passive participles. Passive participles. Maybe we try to explain slowly by slowly. Passive voice. If you have the good memory about the grammar of the Pali book, enough to read the sutta. Enough, quite enough. Okay. Then please check 93, page number 93. Page number 93. They have Pali English dictionary like vocabulary. Then when you can check by yourself also. Akki, I, agachi, went. This okay. First you see M mean masculine, F mean feminine, N mean noiter, IND indeclinable, ED adverb, verb, adjective. Okay, they have the shine. Then akhi, the N means noiter, the I. Agachi, V, verb, went. Aggi, M, masculine, fire. Anguli, feminine, finger. Achari, verb, walk, traveled. Achi, flame. Aja, God. Ajja, indicate today. Anya, adjective, another, other. Okay? They have the vocabulary, very easy to by heart also. Okay? Try, huh? No, one day 5. The 5 verbs enough. Huh? Continuously can carry. Try. This way, after that, there's a same nearby. The 108, page number 108. 108. English Pali, across, Tiriya. They have, no? English Pali also have. Okay? Then, New Pali course, first book finished. The 119, this is finished. The New Pali course, second part coming next. But we are not going there. We try to stay around the part 1. Maybe we try to explain one more time, because one time not enough. One more time. Then after that, because if you study first time, now all are the new words, new thing. But when you are going to study second time, it is very easy to me, or easy to teach me, or then easy to understand also. Is it okay? Then maybe more people coming. But the cannot guarantee, because the peoples are now not interested to practice Pali. Many of them want to practice meditation maybe. Okay, this also sometimes also very helpful for us to read some book, some sutta, some chanting also, no, to understand. Okay. May you be well and happy all the time. May you be free from all suffering. May you be attained Nibbana soon. Sukhi hotu Nibbana pacce hotu. Abhivadana silis nichan vodha pacayino chattaro dhamma vaddhanti ajuvanno sukhang balang.